Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is PERT diagram. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you are new, be clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is PERT diagram? PERT stands for Program Evaluation and Review Technique. It provides a visual representation of a project's timeline and breaks down individual tasks. These charts are similar to Gantt charts but structured differently. This diagram consists of a few steps to get you from a project start date to end date. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what this PERT diagram is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.